Hey Cakenistas, it's Marisha. I usually don't like all the blinds and the casting of the shadows, but the sun is out and it's just so pretty, and I just don't want to cover it up, because you don't need to be covered up. You kill germs, you will kill the Rona. Did y'all know that leaving stuff in the sunlight, the UV rays, actually kills germs? You may have, and I just found that out, and my mind is just blown. This is gonna be a very quick video. I wanted to show you guys how to make lemon curd. I actually did a cake with lemon curd in it a couple years ago, and I asked you guys if you wanted to know the recipe, and a lot of you said yes. So I'm gonna share with you a recipe. It's gonna be a traditional recipe and a keto recipe. I'm doing the keto version, but you could definitely do the traditional version. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, pressing the notification bell. I'm sitting up like a mancy. Let me just relax. Let's get, wait, no, we're gonna go this way. Let's get started. I'm gonna show my mommy how to make lemon curd because she absolutely loves lemon curd, don't you, Mommy?
I do. It's like one of my favorite things.
And I want her to be able to make it whenever she wants it. I have 3 eggs. I have lemon zest, fresh lemon zest, 4 tablespoons of butter, a 1/4 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Instead of sugar, we're actually gonna use a 1/2 cup of powdered erythritol. So this version is gonna be a low carb keto version so that we can indulge and not gain 1,000 pounds.
Right.
And I'm going to turn this into a double boiler, and that's why I have my eggs in this glass bowl. That's going to go on top.
I see. Okay.
It's such a simple and fast process. So we're going to start off by scrambling the eggs. And you want to keep it moving so that, you know, the eggs don't start to scramble. So eggs do start to scramble at 160 degrees. I'm going to add all of the ingredients besides the butter.
Except for the butter?
Yep. Everything except for the butter.
Juice.
Lemon juice is going in. And here goes my powdered erythritol, or your powdered sugar, or your granulated sugar. Granulated sugar works also. That's what I always used normally. And then the last thing is the lemon zest. A couple teaspoons of lemon zest. So this is gonna start, oh man. So this is gonna start, oh man. I need a new bowl. Mama, hurry. So we've transferred bowls, and we're gonna go the safer metal route. The one that isn't gonna crack.
Guaranteed not to crack.
Guaranteed not to crack. I'm just waiting for my water to really, it's simmering, but I'm waiting for it to get a little hotter to where this bowl heats up. It's only going to take a matter of minutes before it starts to really, it'll be really delicious. And then once we add the butter, that just tops it off. I have made this on direct heat, but until you're comfortable with making things that you really have to baby, if you do decide to do it that way, just put your heat on low. Make sure that nothing in the bottom of the pot starts to just sit and scramble. See, it's already getting really thick.
It's getting thicker.
I'm going to turn it down
to a high low.
And I'm going to take this off the heat carefully. It went from thin to really, really thick. That happened in like 10 seconds.
Yeah.
It's all nice and thick. It smells really good. You can smell the lemon. Can you add the butter to the bowl? Once this tablespoon starts to melt, you can add the next one in there. Go ahead. The butter gives it a really nice smoothness, and it also tones down the tartness. Like, you can still taste the lemon, of course. If you like it really, really, really tart, maybe you could add
like tart lemon.
More lemon juice or less butter.
It's gonna be tasty.
Yup. You see, I do have some little pieces of actual egg that I can catch in a sieve. To store this, you can put it in a jar or an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. I'd say a week. I've even froze lemon curd before. It was still a really good consistency.
Does it thicken as it cools, or does it stay the same consistency?
It's going to get just a little bit more gelatinous, to the point where I could actually smear it on a cake and it's not gonna run anywhere.
Oh, okay.
I want you to taste it. Just dip a spoon in there.
Thank you.
And tell me what you think.
Mmm, that's good.
That sounds like a fake commercial.
It is good. It's really good.
That tastes just like the canned.
Yeah, or
But
the
from
bottle, the
scratch.
jar.
If you want to use that for your birthday cake, that can go in a lemon meringue pie. Even with that erythritol, it still has lemon curd flavor.
It doesn't make sense not to make it yourself.
Exactly. Now my mom can make the lemon curd whenever she wants. She doesn't have to wait for me. Mommy, you don't have to wait for me to make it. You can make it, you know. I also want to make lime curd. I think lime curd, I've never done that before, would be so delicious in a cake. So anyway, make sure that you guys follow me on my social media, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, Cake Nistas.